Hello viewer. So today we are going to learn something that is quite easy. It is Surya Namaskar sequence for beginners. So this is like one of the easier variations of Surya Namaskar other than joint rotations and warm-ups, which are very essential to do before practicing Surya Namaskar, and it is best to practice beginner's variation of Surya Namaskar after at least 3 hours of having meals. So let's check out how to do the Surya Namaskar for beginners. Adjust your mat and come to the front of the mat. Inhale, Namaste. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, take right leg back. Ashwasanchalanasana. Look forward, expand the chest. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, come to the table position, palms under the shoulders, knees under the hips. From here, go to the child pose, Sishvasana or Shashankasana. Bring the buttocks in between the heels and gently relax the neck and try to bring the forehead close to the mat. Inhale, table. Exhale, go to Ashtanga, 8 limbs pose. Inhale, come to the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Again, exhale, go to downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, take right leg forward, Ashwasanchalana. Inhale, exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Namaste. We'll do it on the left side. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, take left leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Look forward, expand the chest. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog. Push the chest towards the knees. Inhale, come to table. Exhale, child pose. Try to bring the knees close to each other. And relax. Inhale, come to table once again. Exhale, go to Ashtanga, 8 limbs pose. Tailbone facing the ceiling. Inhale, scoop forward, come to Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now to finish, inhale, left leg forward, Ashwasanchalana. Look forward, expand the chest. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, and Namaste.
Now there are countless benefits of Surya Namaskar, my friends. To know more in depth and to know the details of exactly how to get into each posture and practice them correctly under my guidance, we do take online classes for interactive sessions. Do get in touch and we can have some fun together. Take care. Have a great life.